Ito ay si fish dealer. Fish dealer ng fishing catcher net. Catcher, fishing net catcher. Fishing catcher. It's crew. Fish dealer. Ito yung mga cruise mate, mayari, boss, fish catcher, fishing catcher. Yes. Open sea. Yeah, sa fishing boat catcher. Is my net catcher. Net catcher is this my pack. Is my boat lamp and the night. Lamp in the night and my fish. Ito po yung barko ng kukuha ng isda sa laot. Ang may-ari po nito, ang bossing po nito ay si Bossing Mayet Piletio. Siyang may-ari at doon galing sila sa laot, delivery of fish landing in Masinloc, Inobol, Balugo, Sitio Balugo. In these days, my area of delivery van, fish dealer 3, 8,000 tons 8,000 tons fish. 8,000 tons fish. 8,000 tulinada yung huli ng fish catcher in the open sea in Masinloc, center of Masinloc area. Okay. Hingi tayo ng ulam ito, pwede ba? Okay guys, maraming salamat at dito na lang at good morning sa lahat dito na lang po muna magtatapos yung yung video ko at sana'y panoorin nyo palagi yung mga updated kong video para panay. Yan na guys, ito yung landing fish ng may-ari ng Pangulong, si Madam Mayet Piletio. Thank you guys at guys, and fish dealer. Bye bye, good morning. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.